Meds in my purse in the front zipper pocket. Like the little tiny one. The little tiny pocket in front.
Oh, that's from Jeremy's.
No, check again. They should be, they're like orange. They're like Dayquil.
Just pull everything out and then...
Yeah, it might be easier.
No, there's nothing in here.
In that front little pocket?
In all the little pockets. There's none.
No, bring me my purse then. The front one, not the little tiny thing, the zipper. Yeah, open the zipper.
There's nothing in there. It was just what I showed you. That's all there was.
Not. Oh, there's a Rand in here. I've got Rand. Here, what's that?
Mom! Oh my god, are you kidding me? I'm gonna cry! Is this serious? Are you serious? I'm gonna cry!
What are they?
Yes! Yes! Thank you! Thank you! I hate you so much! Thank you! I'm gonna cry, Mom!
Why are you crying? Come back.
Oh my god!
Let's see the tickets.
Bring him here.
Are you sending it to Jesse?
Just show us the tickets, will you?
Yeah,
Closer
bring
so
him
we
here.
can actually see them, Dodo.
Come back,
he's-
crybaby.
He's supposed to be talented.
What? Yeah, we've only been planning this for 3 months.
Oh my god! Why didn't you tell me?
Because of this right here.
I hate you so much.
Come here, Kai Kai. Quit blowing your nose and come here.
Thank you so much.
Okay,
I hate you.
you don't hate me.
I hate you.
You don't hate me.
You can take them back.
We
soon.
can.
No!
Okay, come
I
here.
hate you for real today.
Kylie, come here.
Oh my gosh.
Come here.
Suck! So much!
So do you, Miss Observant. Couldn't see him in that pocket.
I didn't. I was looking for one thing.
Hey, Kylie, look at me.
I can't find my deodorant now.
Hey, Kai,
What?
are you happy?
Yeah.